Hello everyone, welcome to MES e-learning channel. Craft is the art of turning a simple material into something extraordinary through skill, creativity and passion. In the previous sessions, you have heard about craft and how we can use craft in our classroom, right? What is craft? Craft involves taking just raw materials and transforming them into something beautiful, meaningful through a combination of technical skill and artistic vision. So we need these both together. Even a simple paper can be made into a beautiful, different, you can shape it into different forms, right? But for that you need skill, and with that you also need an artistic vision. So craft, it's more than just a technical pursuit. It is also a means of personal expression, as craftsmen and women bring their own unique vision and creativity to their work. Like for example, if you get a piece of paper and like if there are different people given different sheets of paper, each one will turn that paper into one particular craft depending on their artistic vision, depending on the thoughts that come to their mind, right? So we can say that everyone will have your own unique vision and they will portray their creativity. Craft can be meditative and calming practice. When we are engaged in doing any one particular art, as craft is also an art form, so we just become engrossed into it. So it's like a meditation. And it allows the artist to lose themselves in the art of creation and find fulfillment in the beauty of their work. See, when you get engrossed into anything, when you're fully occupied into one work that you're doing, like for example, if it is craft, then there is no other thought coming to your mind. So that state of mind is meditation. So meditation is not when you it's not only thing that happens when we close our eyes and sit and meditate. Meditation is also when you do something very passionately. It is when you are engrossed in anything, but like fully with all your passion. Craft is a practice of creating functional or decorative objects using traditional or modern techniques, tools and materials. It is an art form that combines creativity, skill, passion to produce unique and beautiful items that can be used and enjoyed for the years to come. So this is just about craft and how we use craft, right? So now if we have an artistic vision and if we are engrossed in it and if we develop, so mainly the person who is engrossed in it is enjoying it, right? But with that, so can it lead to aesthetic development? Can it give an aesthetic experience? So we'll find out the answer to these questions in our coming session. So let's see how we can use craft for aesthetic development in the next sessions. Thank you for listening.